Alright, so right now this is just a quick test of the new BenQ. I'm just so excited. I want to get my first impressions. I want to just turn it on, try it out. And it's not even set up, as you can tell. Here's my old TK850 over here. That's about in focus right there. And a little bit here. Wow, I can't stress how much this lens adjustment makes a difference. It's the first time for me because this one doesn't have the same amount of adjustment as this. I think it has a little bit, but not quite like this. So this is the first time I've seen this and it looks very, very useful. Alright, so the other thing I will say is that the projector itself seems pretty quiet. So other than this music that it's playing right now, it seems quieter than the TK850 and the HT4550 from what I'm noticing right now. Alright, this already looks insane. Compared to my other projectors. Wow. Wow. This is definitely an upgrade. So first thing I noticed, the black level's still not perfect, right? It's not OLED black level or JVC quality black level, but still better than what I am used to seeing with my other projectors. So I don't have any painted walls. My walls are still white, so part of this is actually the reflection from my nearby walls. But yeah, definitely an improvement over what I'm used to. This is unscientific, but here is my BenQ TK850 on a white screen and the HT4550i on this ALR screen. So lights are on right now, as you can tell. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights. So unscientific test, but just to give you an idea of brightness between the two. You can really tell in the whites. Something about the LED. This looks like actually a really good match for this ambient light rejecting screen, so that's surprising. I'll give you an idea of some black levels here. Wow, the brightness on that one is just insane. Of course, that other one is closer to the screen, so that makes a difference as well. But black levels, I think I'm gonna have to give it to the new one on this one. Alright, you can see both of them here. Yeah, that one just pops more. Yeah, pretty clear difference. That's a pretty clear difference. Now let me raise the exposure here. As you can tell, the black level is not perfect. Let's see if I can kind of force the exposure up here. So you can tell what perfect black is. Yeah, you can kind of still see a little bit there. Okay, so let's see how long they both take to turn on. I have two remotes here. I'm going to try to turn them on at around the same time and also start the timer here on my phone. So, right, looks like the new BenQ is up and running. It does have to start its Android TV. But if you did have an external streaming device, then it would have already been on. So, yeah, it's already on. It was around 40 seconds. I would say you could probably get away with maybe 30 seconds if you had an external streaming device. So the other BenQ that I have over here, that is running off a Shield. Okay, so it's finally on. You can tell also the difference in the black levels and the overall brightness with the light on here. Alright, let's get an idea to see how long these take to shut off. So it looks like the new one is completely off. The older TK850 is still shutting off right now. So yeah, it definitely takes a lot longer to cool that bulb down than the newer LED technology. So finally it's off. Okay, there it is. So that was a lot longer.